the last three problems. We have two square roots, which means we're going to end up squaring twice. And in order to cancel both of them, I need to move one to the other side. So you isolate one square root, you square both sides, and you simplify. Then you isolate the other square root and square both sides and simplify. So I'm going to subtract the square root of x plus 2. So minus the square root of x plus 2. So this cancels. And now I square both sides. The left side is easy. The root and the square cancel, so it's just 3 minus x. But on the right side, you have to distribute. So when I distribute, what am I going to get? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. And what do I get here? Minus 3 square root of x plus 2. What do I get here? Minus 3 times the square root of x plus 2. These are negatives. So 3 times negative square root is negative 3. So I have two versions of negative 3 square root of x plus 2, which when combined equal 6 square root of x plus 2. And for the last one, what am I going to get? This one's kind of tricky. It's negative square root of x plus 2 times negative square root of x plus 2. Positive x plus 2. The negatives cancel, the square roots cancel, so it's just plus x plus 2. Now I need to get this square root by itself. So I'll move everything but the square root to the left side. So we're going to subtract 9, subtract x, and subtract 2. So subtract 9, subtract x, and subtract 2. So that gives me, I'm going to change the order. X minus x is negative 2x. 3 minus 9 is negative 6, minus 2 is negative 8, equals negative 6 square root of x plus 2. Okay, what should I do here? I'm going to change them all to positive. And if you wanted, you could pull out a 2 from everything. Just divide both sides by 2. I'm not going to bother. So I prefer dealing with positive numbers, so I'm going to change every sign. And then I'm going to square it. And this will cancel the last square root. So on the left side, I'm going to write 2x plus 8 and distribute 4x squared. 2x and 8 is 16x, and I have another 16x, so plus 32x plus 64 equals, what do I get on the right side? 36, and then the square root cancels, oops, and I'm left with x plus 2, which is really 36x plus 72. Now what do I do? Set it equal to 0 and solve the quadratic. So subtract 36x and subtract 72. Subtract 36x and subtract 72, which gives me 4x squared minus 4x minus 6, no 8. Now what? Divide by 4. So x squared minus x minus 2. Hopefully that factors. X minus 2 and x plus 1. So what are my roots? Negative 1 and positive 2. Now I need to go back to the original equation and see if that works. So my roots are negative 1 and positive 2. So if I put a negative 1 in here and in here, I get the square root of 4 plus the square root of 1. Does that equal 3? 2 plus 1 is 3, yes. So now I plug in 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, so the square root of 1 plus the square root of 4, does that equal 3? Yes, so both of these are actually solutions. They both work. Okay? So